No one become refugee if their home is safe, you know. I was born in Iran as an Afghan, and the thing is that, but I could never be an Iranian. So this identity crisis was always like an important issue in my life. I mean, gender, identity, migration were always the three most important things in my life and in my artworks as well. I believe that in a conflict zone or in a war zone that it becomes so conservative and patriarchal, it's always women and art that has been overlooked, underestimated, and pushed back to the backstage. So the thing is that I just wanted to bring every people from every walks of life, enjoy the soft power of art, and also empower women through art. We had some activities inside Kabul since 2019, but unfortunately Taliban just closed all the organization who was leading by women. So I'm just like trying to continue from outside. Still, it's unbelievable for me that how it's possible that in 2021 Afghanistan get back to Taliban again in front of the world's eye, when still international community and American troops were in Afghanistan. The collapse of Republic was not just a fall of geography, it was fall of bliss, fall of freedom, fall of women's life. Many more things that eradicated a big part of these 20 years of achievements. I hope may all the women of the world, and of course women of Afghanistan, stand tall.